So now this will become star. Aita. In star, what you will measure? Voltage. Phase voltage and line voltage. R to R.
Y to Y, V to V.
ನೀವು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು. ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ. Then you should connect between two lines, one voltage. You can do delta also. You should change voltage, that's all. This should be 0 to 600 range. Right now I am connecting 0 to 300 range. This between any two lines.
Any two.
One, this to this. Okay. You take another voltmeter.
Range ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಇದು 0 to 300. ಇದು 0 to 600. You take two patch cords. One is connected between neutral to one end, and from other end to any one of the phase.
That's all.
Star.
This is star delta.
Delta you change ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 2 to 3